One important idea underpinning economics is the theory of rational expectations, described by Investopedia as follows. The rational expectations theory posits that individuals base their decisions on three primary factors: their human rationality, the information available to them, and their past experiences. If security prices were really the result of the rational, dispassionate evaluation of data, presumably one piece of negative information would move the market down a little, and the next such piece would move it down a bit more, and so forth. But instead, we see that an optimistic market is capable of ignoring individual pieces of bad news until a critical mass of bad news builds up, at which time a tipping point is reached. The optimists surrender, and a rout begins. Rudiger Dornbusch's great quote about economics is highly applicable here. Things take longer to happen than you think they will, and then they happen faster than you thought they could. Or, as my partner Sheldon Stone says, the air goes out of the balloon much faster than it went in. The non-linear nature of this process suggests something very different from rationality is at work. In particular, as in many other aspects of life, cognitive dissonance plays a big part in investors' psyches. The human brain is wired to ignore or reject incoming data that is at odds with prior beliefs, and investors are particularly good at this. What this means is that in good times, investors obsess about the positives, ignore the negatives, and interpret things favorably. Then, when the pendulum swings, they do the opposite, with dramatic effects.